Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I have just a really cool quote to share with you. I'm pretty sure this is from Stephen Furtick. Of course, when I wrote it down, I didn't add that part, but it's so good, I had to share it with you. So, every day will look the same until you decide it's not going to be the same. There are some things in life you don't have to wait for God to tell you to do. Act on your own accord. Stop waiting, attack. If you've been waiting for God to show up in your life, maybe He's been waiting for you to step up. Stop waiting passively. I wonder how many times in our environment we wait for someone else to act. There are people in our lives waiting for us to show them that it's worth it. Live the life you were created to live. It's not just about me. There's a bigger story that's being played out. Be unstoppable. Today is the day. Make sure to head to she'smakinganimpact.com. I've got my free Pinterest cheat sheet for your Pinterest masterclass. It's going to help you crush it with Pinterest and get more leads and sale into your business. I'll talk to you later.